The Toyota Camry is a popular mid-size sedan that has been on the market for decades. It is known to be reliable, affordable, and spacious. In this review, we will examine the features, performance, and value of the Toyota Camry to help you decide if it is the right car for you. We will also provide an overall conclusion to provide an overview of the vehicle. The exterior design of the Toyota Camry is stylish and sophisticated. It has a sleek, modern look with a hint of sportness. The front grille is bold and aggressive, while the headlights and taillights are sharp and eye-catching. The body lines are smooth and flowing, and the overall design is aerodynamic and efficient. The paint finish is glossy, and the car looks great from any angle. In conclusion, the exterior design of the Toyota Camry is attractive and well crafted, making it a great choice for those who want a stylish car with a modern look. The Toyota Camry is renowned for its interior design, and the 2020 Camry is no exception. The interior is modern and sophisticated, with a spacious cabin and comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. The dashboard is intuitively designed, and the materials used are of high quality. The infotainment system is easy to use and offers a variety of features to keep passengers entertained. The Camry offers plenty of storage options, making it an ideal car for both daily commuting and long trips. Overall, the Camry's interior design is top quality and provides a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The Toyota Camry is praised for its excellent performance and handling. It provides a smooth, comfortable ride, and its responsive steering and suspension make it a joy to drive. The Camry's engine is powerful and efficient, providing plenty of power for both city and highway driving. It also has advanced safety features such as blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning, which help keep drivers safe on the road. Overall, the Toyota Camry is an excellent car that offers great performance and handling. It's the perfect choice for those looking for a reliable, comfortable, and safe sedan. The Toyota Camry provides state-of-the-art technology and features. It has a voice recognition system which allows you to control the climate, audio, and navigation with just your voice. It also has a wireless charging system that allows you to charge your devices without wires. The Entune 3.0 system offers advanced connectivity with music streaming and navigation apps. The Camry also has an impressive suite of driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and lane keep assist. The Camry is a great choice if you are looking for a car with the latest technology and safety features. The Toyota Camry is one of the most popular cars on the market, and it's no surprise why. The Camry offers excellent safety features that make it a great choice for families. The car comes with an array of airbags, an advanced driver assistance system, and a rear-view camera with parking sensors. Additionally, the Camry has been rated highly by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety since 2020, and it has earned the highest rating for its crashworthiness. All in all, the Toyota Camry is a safe and reliable vehicle that will keep your family safe on the road. The Toyota Camry is an excellent value for the money. It has a wide range of features and is relatively affordable. The interior is well equipped and the exterior design is sleek and modern. The engine performance is reliable and efficient, and the overall ride is comfortable and quiet. The cost of the Camry is quite reasonable for what it offers, making it an ideal choice for a family car. With the Toyota Camry, you get a reliable and stylish car that won't break the bank.